Guys, I'm here and I'm gonna show you all 9 of my fidget spinners. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, all 9 of those fidget spinners. Look, all of those fidget spinners. They look nice. Okay, Batman fidget spinner, orange fidget spinner, blue metal fidget spinner, whatever fidget spinner that is, light up fidget spinner. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, fidget spinner. And I got this fidget spinner. And it glows in the dark. I got a Batman fidget spinner, regular blue fidget spinner. Oh, this one is really cool. You can charge it, and there's a speaker right there. Hold on a second. That is so cool. It makes that sound. I don't know why, but if you like one of my fidget spinners, then drop a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below that you like and tell me which one you like, cause I like all of them, but mostly I like this one. Look, it even got a fidget spinner on it. Look, hold on. It even got a fidget spinner on it. It's weird. That's 9 fidget spinners right there. Remember, like and subscribe and comment below that you like it. Bye.